coming back at you with another VFD and or Nixie clock kit build or pre-built or blah 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 general banter. So what's our next kit or clock to show off? So we got another Common Labs. This one is Yulia. I believe I don't know how to pronounce her name. This one's version 6. This is another VFD clock. So this one uses the IV11s, IV12s. So more awesome VFDs. So we'll take a look at. So if you don't know how, of course you won't be able to find her because Common Labs on eBay is no longer doing its thing, which is kind of sad. Has all the good stuff. Ooh, here's the board. Oh, nice. And all the bits and pieces of what does what. Temperature sensor. It's even got a light sensor. High precision time chip. Oh yeah, baby. Diagnosis socket. Really? RGB LEDs. Ew. Micro USB for power source, so it's a 5-volt clock. Awesome. So that means you can put her anywhere. Of course, this one's clicker based. This one got buttons on it? No buttons. So you'll have to do everything with a clicker. And then all the bits and pieces. Okay. Of course, when I bought all this stuff, the guy gave me all the wall warts and USB cables and stuff like that. So we got wall wart, USB cable, clicker, and then USB, probably to program her or him or whatever when it's all built. This one's all built, so all you got to do is plug in the sockets. DuPont headers, in case you need that kind. This one's all pre-built. All you got to do is put the tube sockets in and then install the tubes. So, beautifully done. Beautiful. All you got to do is straighten out the light sensor and make sure everything is nice and straight. Made in Russia. So here's the pre-built board. Look at that. So either a barrel jack or USB micro. So make sure you don't stick a 12 volt or a 9 volt or whatever wall wart 2.1 by blah 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 socket in there because you blow her up. So here's all the tubes. So these are the IV8s. Beautiful VFD tubes. Of course, it's got this, just like the other clock that I had there, it's got the dot and dash tube. And then the to make your life easier and my life easier, it has all the little socket pins. So you can just plug and play, just in case that rogue tube decides to work for a little while and then go bad, and or it's DOA upon arrival, or it gasses out over time. So that's that kit. So we'll get that one built someday. and get her fired up and then put it in storage. So we'll put all this stuff back in the bag for safekeeping, which means that this video is a wrap for the current time meeting. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.